The Ripple versus SEC case is back in the spotlight. Charles Gasparino, senior correspondent for Fox Business, recently suggested that the SEC might drop the Ripple lawsuit. However, he also harshly criticized the SEC's handling of the case and even called Judge Analisa Torres' ruling idiotic. What's really happening, and what does the future hold? Let's dive deeper. In an interview on the POMP Podcast, Charles Gasparino criticized the SEC for overstepping in the Ripple case. He stated that the lawsuit stems from the lack of clear crypto regulations in the U.S., which has pushed Ripple's innovative technology out of the country. Gasparino argued that the SEC's actions not only stifle innovation, but also create uncertainty for the crypto industry. This reflects a weak legal framework that should be fostering financial technology growth instead. While Gasparino criticized the SEC, he also disagreed with Judge Analisa Torres' decision. He argued that dividing Ripple's violations into three categories: institutional sales, programmatic sales, and other distributions, sets a dangerous precedent. Judge Torres ruled that Ripple's institutional sales of XRP violated the law, but programmatic sales and other distributions were not considered investment contracts. Gasparino claimed this decision could weaken protections for retail investors in the U.S. by placing more responsibility on institutions. This criticism sparked responses from the crypto community. Bill Morgan, an Australian lawyer, countered that Gasparino misunderstood the decision, which focused solely on Ripple's programmatic sales, not secondary market transactions. One of Gasparino's intriguing predictions is that the outcome of the 2024 U.S. presidential election could influence the Ripple case. If Donald Trump is re-elected, Gasparino believes the SEC's approach to Ripple could shift dramatically, especially if pro-crypto advocate Paul Atkins is appointed SEC chair. He even speculated that the SEC might withdraw its appeal against Ripple or revise its stance on programmatic sales. However, these remain speculations, and we'll have to wait for concrete actions, especially with the SEC's appeal brief deadline set for January 15th. Meanwhile, several figures in the crypto community, like Tony Edward from the Thinking Crypto podcast, criticized Gasparino for being biased. Edward argued that Gasparino's criticism of Judge Torres' decision suggests he hopes Ripple loses the lawsuit. Gasparino, however, maintains that he is neutral and simply reporting based on facts. The Ripple versus SEC case highlights how crypto regulations in the U.S. are being tested. Amid the criticism and speculation, one thing is clear: Ripple continues to fight, and the outcome will have a significant impact on the crypto industry's future. What do you think? Will the SEC drop the lawsuit, or will Ripple secure a historic victory? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. See you in the next video.